Hello, in this video let me continue from the previous video and introduce some extra feature when import the animations from AnimCraft to the Maya character. Let's first open our sample file, the advanced skeleton sample rig. Let's open that. And this is the character rig we introduced the mapping process in the previous videos. And let's first select any part of this character and open our mapping window of the AnimCraft. And you can see that our system automatically finds a template for this character so that we can skip all of the mapping process for this character and hit the match to get ready for import the animation to this character. Let's click continue, and you can see the circle will turn to the green and everything is ready now. And then the first thing I'm going to talk about is a terrain adaptation. So let's go to the AnimCraft. You can see that there's an icon, the foot icon here, which means adapt terrain, and you can see the current plane animation with some of the foot penetrate into the terrain. So we want to avoid this result when we import this animation to the character. So let's do that. Let's select any part of this character and put the frame to the 0. And we're going to import the animation from the frame 0 and go to the AnimCraft and right click on the Maya button and select the Maya version you want the animation go to and click the import. Let's hit the continue and select the character direction. I'm going to introduce this feature very soon later and hit the character direction at this time, and you can see that the animation will be imported to this character. And let's create a terrain. Create the polygon primitive and the plane and scale this up a little bit. You can see that the animation with some of the penetrate on its foot. So without enable this feature, you can see the foot is penetrate. Okay, let's just import this animation again with that feature enable. Let's select any part of this character and go to the frame 56 and import that again with this foot adapt, the adapt terrain feature enable. Let's hit again and import. And after importing the animation, you might notice the feet will always on the ground and won't penetrate at this moment. You can see that like this. And let's check the result before. You can see there's an obviously the feet penetrate at this frames. And the next feature I'm going to talk about is the animation direction when importing. So every time when you import the animation to this character, the system will ask whether we need to choose the character direction or the animation direction. So let's take a look at that. For example, at this frame, let's extend the frame to 200 and go to the frame here. And you can see there's the character direction to this direction. And when we import the animation, for example, let's select another one, the running. They hit the Maya 2017, and you can see that our system will let you choose which direction the animation will import to. If we select the character direction, the system will import the animation from along with this orientation of this arrow. And if we select the animation rotation data will import the animation to original animation direction. So let's first try the character direction. So you can see that the system will import the animations from the direction of the frame which we import the animation. Here it is. And let's import the animation again and hit, and at this time let's choose the animation rotation data. So it will choose in the direction when we create the animation, it will import the original direction of this animation. Let's select this one. You can see that it will import the animation to the Z positive axis along with the Z positive axis. If we look from this top view, you can see that the character is running in the Z positive direction, just the same as in the AnimCraft. So you can see that this character is running in the Z axis. And let's go back to the Maya. And the next final topic I'm going to talk about is the master control. You can see that there's the master circle out there. If we lift this up, something like that, and when we import the animation again onto this character, select any part of this character, and you can see, for example, let's choose another one, this guy, and import. You can see that our system will automatically calculate this character and import the animation and put this character to the terrain. But sometimes we want to import the animation to this character from the master rain. You can see that our character adapted to terrain. Let's extend the frame again, 400. So at this time we need to mark this the master rain, and our system can import the animation through this horizon. We'll select that and click the AnimCraft, and in this the mapping window we can mark the master control. Make sure we select this and hit the OK. And please notice there is a differences between this controller and the master control. The master control won't be mapped in this mapping window, and this guy is a controller right there. Okay, so please notice that. And let's import the animation again. Here, let's we needed to choose the frame, the correct frames, the 83, and imported this animation again. Let's select. We can just shorten this one and import. Okay, at this time you can notice the character will be on the same horizon of this master control. Here we go, and hit the cancel, and we have fixed the horizon problem of this character animation importing. Okay, you can see the differences between these two versions. Okay, this is an introduction for some of the extra features of the animation importing. Thank you for watching. See you next time.